Hello everyone, this is week 2 of the additional items that I will be including in the Christmas junk journal kits that I have available. I have 2 of them available and I will include additional items every week until those 2 kits are sold. So today what I have is some mini bows. So both kits that I have available will get at least one of the bows. I have some vintage buttons on a card. I'm trying to stick with traditional Christmas colors, so what you'll see is the reds, greens, silvers, golds, and then I figured white is always a nice color for Christmas. So each kit will get one of these. Each kit will get one of these invitations. So I thought it was cute, Santa's back. I'm not sure if they're vintage, but they're not brand new by any means. Then every card will get one of these vintage postcards, or I'm sorry, each of the junk journal kits will get one of these vintage postcards. And then both kits will get some of this vintage wrapping paper, and then this is a vintage flocked Christmas banner, and I thought I would give each kit one of the letters. So I think that's what I will do. I think that would be cute. So that is what will be included in this week's additional items for the Christmas junk journal kits. They are listed in my Etsy shop. I will put my Etsy shop link down below. I will also put the playlist that I started. I figure I will put each weekly video into a playlist. That way you can, if you're interested, you can look and see what items are included. If you do not have an Etsy account, you can leave a comment below and let me know that you're interested. I could always invoice you through PayPal. So let me know if you have any questions, and thank you so much for watching.